So now we're just browning each side.
Yeah.
Ooh, smells good already.
Can't go wrong with garlic. Yeah.
Garlic.
So you know how you have a chicken wing, it has a wing, and so you've got the piece that it attaches to, and then the wing itself, and the wing has a joint in it. So you can make that by, you can pull out the tip of the wing and tuck it under, and it makes a nice triangle like that. And you put it in the pan, and you can more easily, it's flat, and you can more easily brown it.
You explain that in the book?
Yeah, actually it's in the tips section of the recipe.
Okay.
I added the quarter cup of apple cider vinegar and a quarter cup of shoyu.
Okay, so there's shoyu,
And
sugar.
not yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just the shoyu and the vinegar.
Okay, it's the apple cider vinegar and shoyu. Got it.
Okay. 2 bay leaves. I crush them. And some allspice.
Ooh,
Allspice?
that's what that is?
Yeah.
It looks like peppercorns.
Yeah. So it looks like.
That's a lot of sugar, Mama.
And mix it up. And then you just let it simmer. What I like about the chicken wing adobo is that when it's cooked, it's very soft and it comes right off the bones. Whereas with the pork adobo, it's a little bit more firm.
Got it.
So you let it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
I got you.
I think the difference is that if I don't happen to have apple vinegar, I use white vinegar, and white vinegar is stronger.
Also, like in Houston, we have a huge Asian community and a lot of Filipinos, so you can actually get the Filipino vinegar, and I think it's called Patu, P-A-T-U, and it's somewhere in between actually a white vinegar and apple cider vinegar. It's soft like apple cider vinegar, but with just a little bit more tang.
You just let it cook.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this is done.
Oh, look good, smell good.
You want to show them?
Yes.
Ooh,
Now
let's
let's
eat.
see.
And you can
try
see
it.
the steam.
Yes. Oh my gosh. We fall off the bone.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That's so tender.
I haven't had this in forever.
Oishi.
Oishi. From the mouth. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Joanne. Very delicious. From the mouth.
Thanks for inviting us on your show. Do I like a local? The easy way.